What's up, Profitable Stylist? Our channel now has over 15,000 subscribers. Thank you all very, very much for joining us along on this journey and staying profitable. Zenagen is one of the brands that I reached out to, and they decided to support us in helping us do a giveaway. We want to show you guys a little token of our appreciation. So Zenagen is a hair loss brand. They deal with strengthening, they deal with hair regrowth, and they've given us 3 different options. This is one of them. This is the Evolve kit. So the Evolve kit Evolve product is for making your hair grow faster and stronger. Comes with this nice little luggage carrier, and you can clip it up there. That's really neat. You open this up. You've got, what do we got here? Got the shampoo, got the conditioner, got a Zen brush, which is awesome because it's a 2-tier brush. So it'll detangle your hair and it'll be really good for strengthening the length of your hair too. This is also really good for hair extensions. And then they've got a leave-in conditioner. Can never get enough leave-in conditioner. So this is the Evolve kit. They also have a Revolve, one for men's, one for women. That's the one that'll help stimulate new hair growth if it's possible, and it'll strengthen existing hair too to make it thicker and fuller. Leave a comment in the section below. Let us know which one of the 3 you want. We're going to be running this giveaway through the end of this month, and we're going to choose a winner in October. We hope all of you win, but we only have so many to give away, so make sure you comment quickly. All right? And always, thanks for watching. Thanks for always being supportive. Thanks for always letting us know in the comment section what you all think, and your feedback is awesome. Thank you for watching.